Here's a look at the tropics right now. Potential tropical cyclone 1, still just a potential system. It doesn't have any closed center of circulation. It is starting to organize a bit better at this time, but it's approaching landfall fairly quickly, expected to move onshore of Mexico here by late tonight, maybe early tomorrow morning. And it is still forecast to become a tropical storm sometime today, so we'll have to keep a close eye on that. If it does get a name, first name of the season is Alberto. After that, we're watching an area in the southwest Gulf of Mexico behind PTC-1, where an area of low pressure could develop in this general region, about a 30% chance over the next 7 days. And then that tropical wave we've been monitoring just to the east of the Bahamas still has a low 20% chance of development, but tropical moisture is expected to move into the southeast through the end of this week, and that's just going to enhance our daily afternoon shower and thunderstorm chance, but also increase our marine hazards for many of our area beaches.